Point out to you that only one of those is a professional model. Alright, for somebody who didn't want to do it, you want half milk in it, I'll take it, come on. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mick and for Georgia as well. And now, it's time for the finale! Here they come now, a lot of the outfits you're going to see again, and show you appreciation.